Yes, flexibility is what makes Forever Living Products the best network marketing company out of all network marketing companies. So everybody likes choices, everybody likes options, and that's what we have in Forever Living. It is a flexibility and different options, different ways how you can be active in Forever Living. And when you're active with 4K credits, then you can reach any level in compensation plan, in network marketing. You can become supervisor, assistant manager, and you can be a manager, and then you can start reaching any other position. Eagle manager, senior manager, sorting manager, sapphire manager, diamond managers, only by this simplicity of being active with 4K credits and teaching your team to do the same. So, what does it mean to be active with 4K credits? First, it doesn't mean that you have to buy 4K credits or products every month. Also, it doesn't mean that you have to sponsor people every month and earn your being active with 4K credits every month. It means that you can use any of these different ways. So you can buy and sell, and a lot of people love products, focus on products, love selling products, and they use the products, sell the products, and they build their business using the products and then introducing the products to others, sponsor other people through products, and teach them to also sell products. Some other people focus on sponsoring and marketing. So they're using some products, but they're not really interested in selling products. So they just focus on sponsoring people, using products, sponsoring people, using products, and they're active that way. And then there's a combination on a little bit of both. You may be using a little bit of products, selling a little bit of products, and sponsoring few people, and just be active with 4K credits for that month. So that's the flexibility that we have. And now, if you're not active, if it happens that you're not active with 4K credits, or if you don't sponsor anybody, and if you don't sell any products, or if you don't buy any products, it's totally okay. And you can go on for an extended period of time, like 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Actually, as long as you want, you're still not gonna lose your position. You're still not gonna use your discount. And whenever you decide to restart, you just continue wherever you stopped. And you still have your discount, and you still have your position, and you just continue working and building your business. And that's the flexibility that Forever offers that no other company on the market contains. And I've looked at a lot of top companies and their marketing compensation plans. And it's not that I want to bash any other companies. There are many good companies. But when it comes to the best network marketing company, it is Forever Living, because of many other things like amazing products. But it's this flexibility that gives us, Forever business owners, us distributors, to choose how we want to build a business. Whether you want to focus on products, whether you want to focus on sponsoring and building the business, completely up to you. As long as you are active in 4K credits, you can reach any position, any level in our marketing plan, in our compensation plan. And that's the power of Forever Living. So I invite you to take a closer look. And if you're already a distributor, that's fine. Take a closer look and understand better network marketing plan, compensation plan of Forever Living. So the better you understand, the better you know what your choices are and what you like and what you prefer to do and how you prefer to build a business that is best fit for you. Also, if you're not in Forever Living, then I would like to invite you to take also a look at this compensation plan and see how powerful it is. And the power of our compensation plan is this simplicity. It's very simple. Just be active with 4K credits and use these different ways to do it. Very simple. So take a look at this compensation plan. I'm going to drop a link under this video where you're going to have a link to this compensation plan so you understand it. Whether you're already in Forever or not, take a look at this compensation plan. Number 2, if you're ready to join, if you already found and looked at these different videos, then maybe you're ready to join and get started. Again, I'm gonna drop a link for that, so you can just register with Forever, get started. If you use the link under my video, then you will be registering with me. I will become your sponsor, and then we will book a meeting, and then we're gonna create a plan, business plan and marketing plan for you to start working with our company and make extra income. A little bit of income or a lot of income, depending on how much effort and time you invest into this business. This is a real business with a real company, real products, real people making real money. Also check the disclaimer in that regards. And finally, if you have some questions and if you would like to learn more, you have some specific questions, maybe you would like to speak with me, then I'm gonna put another link where you can book a meeting, half an hour, free meeting, so you can ask me any questions you may have, and then we can discuss it, and I can explain, and then just tell you how things are, how we work, and whether this would be right fit for you. All right, thanks for checking this video, and now I hope you can understand why Forever Living is the best network marketing company, because it's so flexible. You can do it in so many ways.